Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can motion track your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video and you are going to scroll down until you find camera tracking. And you're either going to track their body, face, hand, or you're going to either customize it. For instance, I want to track this. Then I'm going to select start. The custom one is a new feature. Also, if you're worried about this, you can I'll just do body then. Let me do custom again. Okay. Then you're going to select fit to canvas. What's canvas? Fit to canvas. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.